So I've been wanting to do something about my ugly teeth for a very long time. I was very self-conscious when I smiled. I never smiled widely because I didn't want to show my teeth. There's several problems with my teeth. I got a discolored tooth here that was filled up with blood. You can't change the color of that. I got a missing tooth here and a broken one. I got a missing tooth there, and I got a couple silver caps in my mouth. I just didn't like it. It's ugly, and I was self-conscious about it. Then one day I was on Facebook, and pop-up veneers came up, and it looked like it might be the solution. Because implants were just way totally overpriced, and there was no way I could afford it. So I immediately ordered the veneers. They sent me the impression kit. It came to me within 2 days. I made the impressions, which was a simple process, sent it back, and within 2 weeks I had my impressions. And they pop on very easily, on and off, and I just couldn't be happier. Top, bottom, and look at the difference. Couldn't be happier. And they come with, they'll send you the impressions of your teeth. The veneers fit perfectly on them. They come with a carrying case, some cleaning tablets, soft toothbrush to clean them with. I was so happy that I ordered spares, because I have a habit of forgetting stuff, and so I'll put a pair inside my car in case I ever forget them, because you hardly know they're ever even in your mouth. So I couldn't be happier. Thank you, Pop On Veneers.